In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your Dropbox account with Outlook, seamlessly integrating these two essential tools to enhance your productivity and file sharing capabilities. So let's dive right in and take you step by step through the process. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to dropbox.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, there's a handy reset option available. After logging in, take a moment to ensure that you're on the home page, where it's easy to navigate from here. Next, draw your attention to the left-hand sidebar. There, you'll find various options to manage your files efficiently. Look for the More button situated prominently on the sidebar. Now give it a click. A drop-down menu will appear, and from this menu select the App Center option. The App Center is an incredibly useful feature within Dropbox, containing various third-party apps that enhance its functionality. In the App Center, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the page. Now, type Dropbox for Outlook into the search bar and hit enter. This will show you the Dropbox for Outlook app among the search results. Click on it once it appears. You should see a page that provides more details about what the integration does, allowing you to send Dropbox files through Outlook seamlessly. To proceed, look for the Connect button on the page and click it. This action will take you through a brief setup process where you might need to approve access permissions. Don't worry, this is a standard procedure for connecting apps, ensuring a secure integration between Dropbox and Outlook. Once you've completed the necessary steps, simply click Done to close the setup wizard and return to the Dropbox homepage. Now let's see the integration in action. Go back to the main page of your Dropbox account, browse through your files and locate the file you wish to share via Outlook. When you found the desired file, right-click on it. A menu will pop up with several options. Select the Share option, then from the subsequent menu, choose Outlook. This selection will automatically open your Outlook email interface, pre-populated with a new email message. Within this newly generated email, you'll notice that the subject line is ready for editing, and a link to the file is already included in the body. All that's left to do is to enter the recipient's email address, the person you want to send this file to. Once you're satisfied with your email's content, click Send, and there you have it, you've successfully sent a file from Dropbox via Outlook. With these steps, you can effortlessly share files with colleagues, clients, or friends, leveraging the power of Dropbox and Outlook together. I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.